Welcome to the international biomedical job updates of Dubai, Kuwait, Qatar, and UAE. Company name Abron FZ. Location Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Role Biomedical Sales Engineer. Qualification Bachelor's degree in biomedical technology or related field. Requirements must have valid driver licenses mostly preferred. Company name Dietech Medical Supplies. Role Biomedical Sales and Service Engineer. Location Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Job type full time or permanent. Experience 2 years of experience in this field. Next company name Ecoris. Location Qatar. Role Biomedical Engineer. Qualification certified as a biomedical engineer from accredited school. Experience 3 plus years experience in mostly preferred. Next company name NMC Healthcare. Position biomedical manager. Qualification degree in biomedical engineering or equivalent. Responsibilities oversee preventive maintenance is preferred. Prior experience in hospital biomedical equipment management is preferred. Next organization name Ajman University. Location UAE. Role Biomedical Engineering Technician. Qualification Bachelor's degree in Biomedical Engineering or related field. Experience a minimum of 3 years experience in biomedical field is preferred. Next Biomedical Company. Job title Biomedical Engineer. Job location AA Kuwait. Experience 3 to 5 years is mostly preferred. Education any graduations you can directly apply. Next hospital name Hospital for establishing and managing hospitals. Right. Role sales representative. Qualification bachelor's degree in biomedical engineering is preferred. Prior experience in medical or dental sales is highly preferred. Next company name Gulf Drug LLC. Role Biomedical Engineer. Location Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Experience 1 to 6 years is mostly preferred. You can directly apply through the equipment website. Next company name AMMCS. Position Biomedical Engineer. Location Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. Experience 3 to 5 years required in their field. You can apply directly through this Cuban company website. Next hospital name Adam Vital Hospital. Role Biomedical Engineer. Education Bachelor of Technology or Engineering in Biomedical. You can apply through their given website. As to hospitals, role Biomedical Engineer. Education any graduations is mostly preferred. Experience 6 to 10 years is highly preferred for this role. Nationality any nationality is mostly preferred. You can directly apply through the equipment website. Vectors role Biomedical Technician. Education any graduations is preferred. Location United Arab Emirates. Nationality any nationality is preferred to apply this role. You can directly apply through this given company website. Next NMC. Job title Biomedical Engineer. Experience 3 to 5 years is highly preferred. Job location Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Education background Bachelor's of Technology or Engineering in Biomedical. You can apply through the given website. Follow for more updates on international biomedical job updates.